Please don't be here. Please don't be here. Please don't be here. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, Albert.
I know it's cold, but we gotta go for a walk and it's raining. I know, you hate it. He's off. Bye. Sick.
I did the whisper call. Hey, sweetheart.
Heidi, do you want a belly kiss? Luke, do it again. I'm not paying attention. Ready?
Kimchi, it's Jack's birthday. Can you say, oh, whoa, whoa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, whoa. Oh my goodness. Can you say?
Ah.
The plate is empty. You are the greediest thing I ever met. There is literally Nathaniel's on that plate.
Or the mat. Sure. That's not really what I said. Can you come out? Have you seen Murph? Hey girls, have you seen Murph? No? I can't find him anywhere. He's missing.
Look how pretty she's sitting. Why'd you have to move? What happened? I know you won't come out and play. Well, we were just playing and now I gotta clean up the whole area. I know, pretty pretties. I know, pretty pretty. What is that?
Come on, take it.
Bro.
Finnick, what are you doing? I just poured that in there. You can't wait till it gets to the bowl? What you doing, Fin? You tender.
Look what I have, Poppy. Come here. You want me to put you in that? Yeah? How do you feel now that you're all in there, little baby? What are you looking at?
Spicy. This is cooked chicken. It's cooked chicken. You like it? Yes? the best for spicy.
Come on, Rue, it's just snow.
Come on. Come.
Come.
Come on.
Come on, Rue. Joe, come.
Good morning. Oh, that's a good morning. Look at those tippy taps. Oh my goodness. Good morning, buddy.
What is your problem?
Can she fix your tie for you? It's crooked.
Cons?
Can she fix it? It's backwards. Backwards, right. Okay, go ahead. He said you could fix it.
Thanks, Connie.
I'm cooking it. Would you quit being so dramatic? Oh my god. Yeah, you're funny. Okay, get comfortable.
Toby, these are my potatoes, sir. These are my potatoes. No, these are mine. These are mine.
Reese. Reese, come here. Reese, come here. Reese, did you do this? Come here.
Let's go, Grandma's. Good boy. I'm coming. I gotta get you a leash. I gotta get you.
Both.
What?
Is that a good boy? Is that a good boy?
You can't handle it. Oh, get over here. Come here, buddy. Oh, you just couldn't fake it, could you?
I've accidentally trained her to make a sound whenever I do a little dance and then point at her. Yeah, good girl.
What your paw doing out there, Croc? I see you the only one got him in sport mode. You finna cheat? You better not cheat.
What's wrong? You feeling snuggly? Okay. Sorry, just move that over here.
I don't want to pet you. You're being really annoying. Just come on. I don't want to pet you, and I don't want you sitting on me. You're 73 pounds. That's your... Come on.
I get a woo?
Woo! Good girl.
Blocking, look at that. Blocking all that heat. Look at that. Plugging the whole thing up.
You doing, buddy, huh? Are you excited that it's nice and warm outside, it's warmer today, and you're not getting icicles all over you? Huh? Yeah, what about you, Mama? You're always running and getting hot. I know you're never freezing.
Bro, I didn't even do nothing, bro. I didn't even do anything. It's just on site now.
Hi. What are you doing? Are you making sure I don't go anywhere else? No? Okay, well, I missed you.
No, get on your part of the bed. Yeah, you ready for bed? What?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey. Hey.
What are you doing?
Headless horseman over here.
What are you doing?
There's your head.
The dog is crazy if I don't let him sleep under me. Watch this.
Excuse me. Oh, jeez. You're serious right now. Do you mind? Kano.
Jackie, did you dig this hole? Why, mate? Come on, mate.